Hi everyone, this is Tabish, your real estate broker. If you're thinking of buying, selling residential or commercial property, give me a call for free property evaluation and professional advice. Today I'm presenting you a beautiful project, Riverview in South Oakville. Builders are offering townhouses and detached houses. It's a very fine location. You see the nature all around. You see the Bronte Riverview. This is the site. You see 403, very close by, about 1 minute, as I said. Bronte GO Station. On the other side is Dundas Street, Trafalgar Memorial Hospital. You see Provincial Park right next to the project. Lakeshore Boulevard about 5 minutes, and you can see all other amenities, grocery, shopping, health, fitness, education, drinking and dancing, and parks and recreation area. And here is the site plan. You see the Bronte Road, and the dark colors you see all townhouses, and then you see the lots 45, 46, and 50. You can see from the colors, mostly are backing on woods, ravine, or creek. This project is not launched yet. Only I have a starting from prices. Townhouses starting from 700,000, range from 1,088 to 2,727 square feet. Bedrooms 3 to 5, bathroom 2.5 to 4.5, washrooms, 1 car garage, extra wide 1 car driveway. 45, 46, and 50 singles. Size range 2,535 to 3,660 square feet. Bedroom 4 to 8, bathroom 3.5 to 6, parking 2 car garage, 2 car driveway. Starting from 1.2 million. This project is unique. That's why I wanted to introduce this project before it's launched to the public. Builder says they will give you prices less than resale. Rebate for everyone up to 130,000. You don't have to be first-time home buyer. As of April 1st, whatever the price is, you will get HST rebate up to $130,000. I'm going to give you overview of this project and neighborhood. Hope you like the project. If you're interested, give me a call. I will share details and all available floor plans so you can get yourself ready the moment project launch, so you can take a lot of your choice. I have so many other projects like this in Oakville, Burlington, Milton, Mississauga, in Greater Toronto area and beyond. You want to buy resale property, I have lots of options available. Condo, townhouse, semi-detached, detached house, farmhouses, I have options for you. If you want to sell your property, I can list and make a home tour and present in front of right people to get you the top dollars. I have very professional mortgage partners who can help you with your mortgage approval, or if you want to refinance your existing property for investment, they can help you. I can be reached at 416-475-7777. Talk to you soon.